What happens when one of the most iconic off-road legends in automotive history is reborn for the modern era? This is the 2026 Land Rover Series II, a timeless classic re-engineered with contemporary design, modern tech, and undeniable presence. It's not just a restoration, it's a statement. From the very first glance, the front fascia stays true to its heritage, but with a refined, modern twist. You still get that unmistakable boxy silhouette, paired with the classic upright stance that made the original Series II legendary. But now, it's enhanced with cleaner lines and sharper detailing. The circular headlights remain iconic, now upgraded with subtle LED signatures, giving the vehicle a modern identity without losing its soul. The black mesh grille and bold Land Rover badging dominate the front, delivering a strong and confident visual presence. Down below, a rugged off-road bumper with integrated tow hooks reinforces its capability. This is not just for show, this is built to perform. Moving to the side profile, this is where the Series II truly shines. The long, flat body panels, exposed hinges, and utilitarian design language remain intact, honoring its roots as a purpose-built off-roader. But the finish? Absolutely modern. The deep marine blue paint reflects light beautifully, adding a premium feel to an otherwise rugged machine. Black alloy wheels wrapped in aggressive all-terrain tires give it a planted, muscular stance. The high ground clearance and short overhangs make it clear this vehicle is engineered for serious terrain, not just city cruising. And that signature flat roofline and rectangular windows, instantly recognizable, timeless, functional, iconic. At the rear, the design continues its perfect balance between classic and modern. The externally mounted spare wheel remains a defining feature, both practical and visually bold. Vertical LED taillights replace the old units, giving a clean, contemporary lighting signature. The tailgate is simple, purposeful, and rugged, exactly what you'd expect from a true off-road machine. And subtle touches like dual exhaust outlets and modern lighting elements bring just enough modernity without compromising the vintage DNA. Step inside, and this is where the transformation becomes truly impressive. The cabin blends classic utility with modern luxury. You'll notice the minimalist dashboard layout, finished in body-colored panels, paying homage to the original design. But now, it's upgraded with a modern infotainment display, seamlessly integrated into the center console. Navigation, connectivity, and digital functionality are all here. The analog gauges remain, preserving that vintage feel, while the leather seats in rich brown tones elevate the entire cabin into something far more premium. Ambient lighting adds a subtle modern touch, especially at night, creating a warm, refined atmosphere inside an otherwise rugged vehicle. From the driver's perspective, this car delivers a completely immersive experience. The upright windshield, simple steering wheel, and mechanical feel remind you you're driving something raw, something authentic. Yet, with improved ergonomics and modern enhancements, it feels far more comfortable and usable in today's world. This is not just driving, this is experiencing heritage in motion. While the original Series II was known for its simplicity, powered by engines like the 2.25-liter petrol producing around 70 horsepower, the 2026 version takes things much further. This modern reinterpretation is expected to feature a modern turbocharged petrol or diesel engine, estimated output 150 to 250 horsepower, advanced 4x4 drivetrain system, improved suspension and off-road capability, Still rugged, still capable, but now far more powerful and refined. As a premium restomod-style vehicle, the 2026 Land Rover Series II isn't built for the mass market. Estimated price, $90,000 to $140,000, depending on customization. Expected release, late 2025 to early 2026. Limited production builds. This is a collector's piece, not just a vehicle. The 2026 Land Rover Series II proves that true design never dies. It evolves. It respects its past, embraces the present, and redefines the future. So the question is, would you take this modern classic off-road or keep it as a masterpiece in your garage? If you love classic cars reborn for the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content like this.